This is truly the pinnacle of San Francisco living.
Welcome to One Steuart Lane, San Francisco's rare jewel on the bay, a bold architectural statement rising from the edge of the Embarcadero where the city meets serenity. Inside, world-class amenities await, featuring a private wellness center, resident lounge, and a 24/7 concierge service. It's where luxury meets convenience for busy executives and on-the-go professionals. This architectural masterpiece places you at the crossroads of serenity and vibrancy, with the city's best dining, shopping, and cultural experiences just steps away. From the moment you arrive, One Steuart Lane delivers sophistication and service. With a 24/7 concierge, wellness spa, and resident lounge, luxury meets ultimate convenience. Perfect for professionals, executives, and those who expect the best. Step into Residence 1103, a luminous corner home with expansive, open-concept layout designed for elegant living and effortless entertaining. The primary suite is a true sanctuary. Wake to soft morning light dancing across the bay, then glide across wide plain oak floors to your built-in custom closet, leading to a spa-inspired bathroom. A tranquil escape of marble, dual vanities, a deep soaking tub, and a walk-in glass shower crafted to melt the day away in total indulgence. Unit 1103 epitomizes the perfect blend of elegance and efficiency, further enhanced by an extra bedroom and bathroom ideal for guests and privacy. Floor-to-ceiling windows bring the outside in, immersing you into iconic views of the Bay Bridge and the tranquil harbor below. The kitchen is a masterclass in European design, outfitted with the sleek Gaggenau appliances, honed marble countertops, and custom cabinetry. Whether you're preparing dinner or hosting cocktails, this space performs with polish. The cozy living room flows seamlessly into a spacious dining area that comfortably seats 8, creating the perfect setting for both relaxed evenings and lively gatherings, or simply everyday living.
And now, get ready, I'm about to show you my favorite part of the unit.
A 390 square foot private terrace that feels like your own sky deck. With commanding bay views and room to host, lounge, or simply breathe, it's your ultimate entertaining canvas in true San Francisco style. Here at One Steuart, convenience is a lifestyle. Walk to the financial district, dine at Michelin-starred restaurants, catch a Warriors game at Chase Center. From sunrise to city lights, it's all at your feet. Unit 1103 at One Steuart Lane isn't just at home. It's a waterfront sanctuary, an entertainment's dream, and a front row seat to the soul of San Francisco. Whether it's work, play, or a night out, everything is effortlessly close. Residents can rejuvenate in the wellness center, which feels like living in a private spa. All of this is complemented by a 24/7 5-star white glove concierge service, providing endless assistance with daily needs. Plus, with monthly community events, there's always an opportunity for networking and socializing with neighbors and ambitious individuals. Morning jogs beneath the Bay Bridge, coffee with Cupid's Pen as your backdrop, and sunset strolls along the glittering Embarcadero, all just steps from your front door. Perfectly positioned in South Beach, this is a lifestyle defined by effortless beauty. Luxury, lifestyle, and location converge at One Steuart Lane. Unit 1103 isn't just a home, it's your private front row seat to the best of San Francisco. Live iconic, live elevated, live One Steuart Lane.